7, 8, 9, मैम यहाँ पे आ जाइए 9 और इनके साथ में वॉलंटियर मैम को ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पे 10, alright 10 people are here, okay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और राहुल पार्ट 1 and राहुल पार्ट 2 दोनों आ जाइए राहुल पार्ट 1 and राहुल पार्ट 2 there were 2 Rahul here 2 Rahul, okay sir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 okay sir could you please join me here 7 राहुल पार्ट 1 कहाँ राहुल कहाँ गया राहुल Katrina campaign and please respect him. Okay. अब आपको करने को 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two more volunteers. Any two. Quickly. Come on, it's a time for celebration. Let's have the ladies here. Ma'am, could you please join me here? Yes. Both of you. Okay. 10 are here. What you have to do? आपको अपने ग्रुप में से एक लीडर चूज करना है और ग्रुप का एक नाम चूज करना है ओके आपको भी अपने ग्रुप में से एक लीडर चूज करना है और ग्रुप का एक नाम चूज करना है आई एम गोना टेल यू व्हाट वी आर गोना ओके हु इज द लीडर हियर कीप अप कम हियर या हु इज द लीडर हियर व्हाट्स योर नेम सुगंध को बोला है मैं आप भी आगे सुगंध के पीछे ओह माय गॉड राइट यस सर नारायण जी आपके ग्रुप का नाम क्या है नारायण मॉन्स्टर ग्रुप के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ऑलराइट मॉन्स्टर ग्रुप आपको ये दिया जा रहा है ऑलराइट ओके
खोल के दे देगा वो टीम जीतेगी मॉन्स्टर ग्रुप को मिलते हैं प्लस 10 पॉइंट जोरदार तालियां हो जाए क्या बात है ऑलराइट ओके आप वापस दे दीजिए मेरे को नारा लगाना है घर I think इनका नीचे का पूरा खाली है इनका नीचे का बना सॉरी मॉन्स्टर आर द विनर फॉर दिस टाइम आल्सो मॉन्स्टर ग्रुप 20 और आपका भी बाबा जी का ठुल्लू है लेकिन नेक्स्ट आपके लिए जो टास्क है ये आपको लीडर कहाँ गए लीडर पकड़िए खाना नहीं है प्लीज ओके मैंने एक बार किया था एक बाइट भी ले ली जब तक मैं बताने लगा था तो प्लीज हाँ खाना नहीं है इनको आपको करना क्या है आपको जमीन में चारों का 1 मिनट दिया जाएगा टावर बनाना है ऑलराइट हाँ एप्पल के ऊपर
Ji is with us, so Zordar Talia. For Prakash Ji, I will tell you, thank you for coming here, ma'am. Thank you for coming here, sir. Third time also, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is the Monster Group. And can we, Seven Ocean, can you please clear this? Okay. So, dosto, are you excited? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and music. Everybody. Everyone. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the energy, this is the ABM. Ma'am Supriya Rane also to join them, and can we have a huge round of applause for Prakash Ji and Supriya Ji. Can we have Sharat Ji also for this qualification? Sharat Ji also. Sharat Ji is here. Sharat Ji. जिंदगी एक दिए की तरह जलती रहे, जिंदगी एक दिए की तरह प्रज्वलित होती रहे, यही कामना, यही दुआ ABM के सभी मेंबर्स की। My dear friends, now I request everybody, thank you, Excellent Prakash sir here. Sir, this is Prakash जी आपका नाम है और हमने यहाँ प्रकाश भी फैला दिया है, क्या इत्तेफाक है? तो एक बार हमारे दिल के सबसे करीब हमारे डायरेक्टर जी जरा स्टेज पर हो, तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां just for प्रकाश जी। And now, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, this is the time when our very favorite, very lovable director.
Corporate office, ABM House on Linking Road. We have a lot of new awards. We have been awarded the e-governance company of the year by a technology magazine called as Silicon. We have been awarded top 20 IT services company managed by Indian promoters. There is a foundation called as Scotch Foundation that has given a very special award for our SAP implementation. You are not serving the customer called as X municipal corporation or Y municipal corporation. You are actually serving the citizens of that particular city. So our job is different. So I have repeatedly said that all the achievements that ABM has done so far would not have been possible for each and every person sitting here and his commitment. And I hope that will continue to be like that. You can be rest assured that I don't speak things unless I mean it. So if any one of you is feeling that I'm talking nice things because I'm supposed to talk nice things, I'm not doing that. The renewal of contracts which our customers have done, and please understand it's not very easy to be in an account for several years and that customer wanting to do business with you again. This is again, I would like to congratulate the teams involved in projects like Minded implementation or in projects like SAP implementation. Without their commitment, this was impossible. So, customer also is kind of showing his confidence in us. So, if you continue doing like this, I think in next 3 to 4 years, if not 2 to 3 years, we should be very happily and strongly present in around 10 states. Today we have 2 major verticals. We will have around 3 to 4 verticals. And if this goes smoothly, then we will also look at what is called an inorganic growth. We have acquired one product. In case things move properly, then we are also examining the possibility of acquisition. Not necessarily if we stabilize our base in around 10 good states in India, then next step of ours would be getting into some kind of inorganic growth, that is acquisition of company outside India. For which
We're gonna start this Hawaiian Carnival Night 2014 of ABM, powered by Seven Ocean Entertainment and now दिल थाम के बैठिए, बिल्कुल दिल्ली के ऑर्केस्ट्रा वाले जैसे बोलते हैं, अरे दिल थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि बरखुदार आपके बीच में. Oh no, this style is not good. Let's have the international style only. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, now Seven Ocean Entertainment is presenting Golden Wings International Dance just for you people out there. तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ please welcome our first performance, Russian Golden Wings International Dance. So 3, 2, 1 and here we go.
और सब जितने भी जेंट्स अपनी सीट पे बैठे रहें प्लीज.
Ladies and gentlemen, अभी तो हमारे यानी कि हमारे ABM family के rock करने वाले तो who is gonna come here?
MCGM project staff from WDC. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएंगी.
Ladies and gentlemen, next performance by ABM bro. तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ please welcome.
डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, किसी डिस्को में